Wow, Emma. This store looks nice.
Yes. I want to buy new clothes today.
Me too. I need new jeans.
Let's go inside.
Okay.
There are so many clothes here.
Yes. Look at those jackets.
Oh, they are beautiful.
I like the black jacket.
I like the blue one.
Hello. Welcome to the store.
Hi.
Hello.
Can I help you?
Yes. I'm looking for jeans.
Sure. What size do you wear?
Medium.
Okay. The jeans are over there.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I want to look at dresses.
Dresses are on the left side.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Wow. There are many colors.
I like these dark blue jeans.
I like black jeans.
Try these.
Okay. They look nice.
Yes. They look comfortable.
I think so too.
Do you want to try them on?
Yes, please.
The fitting room is right there.
Thank you.
Wow. They look good on you.
Really?
Yes. They fit you well.
I like them too.
Are they comfortable?
Yes. Very comfortable.
Then you should buy them.
I think I will.
They look great on you.
Thank you.
Would you like another color too?
Maybe. Do you have gray jeans?
Yes, we do.
Can I see them?
Of course.
Oh, I like these too.
The gray ones look cool.
Now I don't know which one to buy.
Buy both.
Maybe I will.
Oh wow. These dresses are pretty.
I like the red dress.
Really?
Yes. It looks beautiful.
I want something simple.
What about this white dress?
It's nice.
Are you looking for something special?
Yes. I want a simple dress for dinner.
Okay. What color do you like?
Maybe white or pink.
Here are some popular dresses.
Thank you. Oh, this pink dress is cute.
Yes. I like it.
I want to try it on.
The fitting room is available.
Great. Thank you.
Wow, Emma. You look amazing.
Really?
Yes. It looks perfect on you.
Thank you.
The color is very nice.
I think it's comfortable too.
That's important.
Yes.
That dress is very popular.
I can see why.
It fits you perfectly.
Thank you.
Are you going to buy it?
I think so.
Good choice. I also need new shoes.
Me too.
Look at these sneakers.
They look nice.
I like white sneakers.
White shoes match many clothes.
Exactly.
Can I help you find your size?
Yes. I wear size 10.
Okay. Let me check. Here you go.
Thank you. These look great.
Try them on.
Wow. They feel comfortable.
Walk a little.
Yeah. They feel good.
Then buy them.
I probably will.
I want sandals.
Sandals are over here.
Thank you. Oh, they fit well.
They look nice with your dress too.
Good.
Hello. Did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you.
Yes.
1 black jeans, 1 pair of sneakers, 1 pink dress, and 1 pair of sandals.
That's correct.
Your total is $120.
Okay.
Will you pay with cash or card?
Card, please.
Sure. Please enter your PIN.
Okay.
Payment approved.
Great.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Do you need the receipt?
Yes, please.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
You too.